This Vietnamese beef salad is so good and it only has 5 ingredients.
Pan on a high heat to heat up. So while that's heating, we'll just marinate our steaks just for a couple of minutes. So just got two Scotch fillets here. Just want some fish sauce, so about 2 tablespoons, one per steak. Just drizzle that over the steak, and that's going to season our steaks instead of using salt. So we'll just toss the steaks in and let them sit while the pan heats up. Okay, so pan's feeling nice and hot, so we'll get our steaks in. So just a little bit of oil in the pan, and then steaks go in. So we'll cook them for 3 minutes on the first side. And we have 6 tablespoons of lime juice, so I'll just measure that into the bowl as we go. And we want about 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. Going to pop in about a teaspoon of dried chilli flakes. Steaks have been on for 3 minutes on the first side, and I actually want to leave them quite rare. I'm going to turn the steaks now, and I'm just going to give them 2 minutes on the second side, because I want them to be rare in the middle. But so they're going to be done enough for me. So what I'll do is I'll just grab them out, and I'm going to pop them into rest in our dressing for a few minutes. Steaks have been resting for a couple of minutes in the dressing, so that's great because the pan juices, all the juices from the steak can come out and mix in with the dressings. So we just want to slice it into really fine bite-sized pieces. Then all we need to do is just get some salad leaves through, and then we're just going to toss the leaves in the dressing, and we'll divide that between 2 plates and we're good to go.
So I hope I've inspired you to get into the kitchen and play around with this Vietnamese beef salad idea. But before we go, I better introduce myself. So my name's Jules Clancy. I used to be a food scientist, but now I'm an extremely simple cooking coach. And I help food lovers simplify and enjoy, bring the joy back into cooking with 3+ ingredient recipes that feel so easy. It's like healthy meals appear on the table as if by magic. And so the other thing that makes my recipes unique, apart from the simplicity, is that I always include a list of variations. So for the Vietnamese beef salad, if you wanted to make it vegetarian, you could do a mushroom salad would be amazing, like grilled or roast mushrooms, or you could do use tofu. That would probably my other one, and I would use a marinated tofu or marinate it yourself in some soy sauce first. And then the other thing is that you'll need to, if you're meat vegetarian, obviously fish sauce isn't going to be the option, and so you would use the soy sauce option instead. But that will be equally delicious. And I've also made this, if I didn't have steak, I've also made it with ground beef or ground minced beef, or you could use chicken as well, or chicken breasts or thigh fillets sliced up. That they will all work really well with this, and pork as well. It goes really well, like minced pork or ground pork. And then in terms of different sauces, like the soy sauce is classic, or the fish sauce is what they would use in Vietnam. But you could use any Asian sauce, like a bit of sesame oil is always nice with this, and play around. And yeah, in terms of the salad leaves, any leaves are going to be good. So you found that helpful. And before you go, make sure you subscribe to my Stone Soups channel so you can get more simple, healthy, enjoyable recipes in your feed. Okay, talk soon.